Some choices are easy, but these are not. Get ready for the ultimate would you rather challenge that will test your instinct until the very end. Welcome to Prime Quiz.
Ready for the ultimate fear challenge? Would you rather be trapped in a room full of snakes or be trapped in a room full of giant spiders? This one is terrifying. Would you rather stand on the edge of a skyscraper or hang from a helicopter ladder? Extreme survival test begins. Would you rather jump into freezing Arctic water or walk across a burning desert? No way out now. Would you rather be chased by a hungry lion or be chased by an angry gorilla? Dark adventure awaits. Would you rather swim through a dark cave or climb an icy mountain at night? Would you rather fight Thanos alone or hit that like button right now? Hey, don't wait. Make your choice right now. Fast. No cheating. Once you pick, that's final. Let's go. Danger is coming. Would you rather cross a broken rope bridge or cross a river full of crocodiles on a tiny raft? Scary choice time. Would you rather escape a haunted hospital or escape an abandoned prison at midnight? Nightmare challenge starts. Would you rather spend one night in a shark cage or spend one night surrounded by wolves? Wild World Challenge. Would you rather walk through a jungle alone or walk through a desert alone? Can you survive this? Would you rather be locked in a maze for 24 hours or be lost in a forest for 24 hours? Would you rather escape the Joker or subscribe before it's too late? Okay, kids, you've got only a few seconds. Pick one, hurry up, don't switch after choosing. Got it? Good. Monster battle begins. Would you rather face a giant octopus or face a giant anaconda? Extreme Ride Challenge. Would you rather ride a roller coaster that never stops or ride the world's tallest drop tower? Fear in the sky and sea. Would you rather be on a ship during a giant storm or be on a plane during severe turbulence? Impossible adventure. Would you rather cross a volcano on a narrow bridge or cross a frozen lake with cracking ice? Apocalypse choice time. Would you rather be hunted by zombies or be hunted by vampires? Would you rather face Darth Vader in the dark or like this video fast? Alright guys, choose quickly, no overthinking, pick one and stick with it, no changing later. Ready? Lock it in. Deep cave danger. Would you rather explore a cave filled with bats or explore a cave filled with giant insects? Dark Castle Challenge. Would you rather spend a night in Dracula's castle or spend a night in a cursed mansion? Survival mode activated. Would you rather be stranded on a tiny island or be stranded in the Arctic? Dinosaur danger begins. Would you rather be chased by a T-Rex or be chased by a giant dragon? Wild animal showdown. Would you rather ride a wild bull or ride a wild elephant? Would you rather battle venom at night or subscribe to survive? Hey, don't wait. Make your choice right now. Fast. No cheating. Once you pick, that's final. Let's go. Escape challenge starts now. Would you rather escape from quicksand or escape from a collapsing cave? Deadly water choice. Would you rather fall into a river full of piranhas or fall into a swamp full of alligators? Crazy battle time. Would you rather fight one giant eagle or fight 10 angry monkeys? Ultimate Explorer Challenge. Would you rather climb the world's tallest mountain or dive into the world's deepest cave? Trapped forever? Would you rather be trapped underwater for 1 minute or be trapped underground for 1 minute? Rather enter Jurassic Park alone or like and save yourself. Okay kids, you've got only a few seconds. Pick one, hurry up, don't switch after choosing. Got it? Good. Nature's biggest threats. Would you rather face a massive tornado or face a giant tsunami? Weather nightmare begins. Would you rather be caught in a blizzard or be caught in a sandstorm? Tiny creatures. Huge danger. Would you rather be surrounded by angry bees or be surrounded by angry hornets? Haunted adventure awaits. Would you rather enter a haunted forest or enter a haunted graveyard? Disaster movie challenge. Would you rather be inside a sinking ship or be inside a crashing train? High fear level unlocked. Would you rather walk across a glass bridge high above the ground or crawl through a pitch black tunnel? Alien or dinosaur world? Would you rather get lost in an alien planet or get lost in the Jurassic era? Impossible Day Challenge. Would you rather spend a day with dinosaurs or spend a day with mythical monsters? End of the world choice. Would you rather survive a zombie apocalypse or survive an alien invasion? Escape Master Challenge. Would you rather escape a giant maze filled with traps or escape a castle guarded by monsters? Ultimate Fight Challenge. Would you rather fight one giant robot or fight one giant mutant? Creepy Cave Challenge. Would you rather walk through a cave of giant snakes or walk through a cave of giant spiders? Monster Hunt begins. Would you rather be hunted by a werewolf or be hunted by a mummy? Extreme journey time. Would you rather cross a lava field or cross a glacier full of deep cracks? Final survival challenge. Would you rather ride a rocket with no windows or dive into the deepest ocean trench